Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by mastering 0-10 because these form the core patterns. Learn both spoken forms and written digits. Listen to native audio, then repeat each number aloud until your mouth remembers the sounds. Once done, record yourself and compare. Make sure to shadow rhythm and stress. Use 3-5 flashcards per session, broken into short 5-10-minute drills. This builds automatic recall quickly, so you can move to compound numbers with confidence and accurate pronunciation. You now expand to 1169 by recognizing tens plus units as reliable patterns. French uses specific words for 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Learn the connectors. For example, vingt et un for 21 and trentquatre for 34. Practice forming numbers aloud. Once done, mix speaking and listening drills. Say a tens word, then add a unit quickly. Shuffle cards so you must compute mentally. Make sure to shadow native pace, so your production matches natural rhythm and liaison. You finish by tackling 70-100 plus quirks. French builds 70s and 90s additively, and 80 is quatervaints. Master these constructions by creating and saying examples like 72, 88, 95 aloud. Then scale to 100, 1, 0, 0, 0, and 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, noting gender and plural effects. Once done, practice mixed drills and timed recall to cement speed. If you struggle, isolate the offending element, slow it down, repeat 10-15 times.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.